And for the final session, for the week 4, we're gonna have a mastery check. Ana versus Mang Pedro. Tanong ko lang dito, who runs out first? So, pag-aralan nga natin. Actually kasi si Mang Tomas, meron siyang kapitbahay at challenge siya nung kapitbahay niya. Sabi ni Mang Pedro, Tomas, I have 600 sacks and I sell 30 a day. My sacks will run out before yours, which means I sell faster and make money sooner. Talagang iba yung boses eh, no? So, sabi ni Ana, Tatay, let me check that. Okay. Dahil kay si Ana, di ba? Alam niyo kung paano i-predict yan. So, ang ginawa ni Ana ito, no? This time, pinalitan niya yung equation ni Mang Tomas. Dati kasi negative 25, ngayon ang slope is negative 30. At nakakabenta siya. I mean, sa starting point niya, 600, no? So, yan yung y-intercept. So, ngayon, our task is, tingnan natin, sino bang mas lamang? Si Mang Tomas ba? At si Mang Pedro? Okay? Using graph, equation, at saka table. Who has the steeper line and what does that mean? Steeper line? Ano nga ulit yan? So, ngayon, Anna's comparison report. And this is your performance task. If you're watching this, my fellow students, meron tayong performance task sa klase natin. Ang pag-aaralan natin, sino ang mas lamang? Si Mang Tomas ba? Na ito ang equation. S of D equals negative 25D plus 500. Or si Mang Pedro na ganito ang equation. S of D equals negative 30D plus 600. Okay? So, ngayon, hahanapin natin ng slope, zero, and table. So, for each farmer, state the slope and interpret in one sentence. What does the slope tell you about how each farmer sells? Zero, for each farmer, find the zero algebraically. Show all steps. What does the zero mean? Okay? Zero is the same as when sacks remaining becomes zero, right? So table. Build the table of the values for D equals 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Compute nyo daw yung change of Y over change of X for each and do the tables, confirm your equation. So here is a table of Mang Tomas at saka ni Mang Pedro. So graph naman, sketch both lines on the same coordinate plane. Label slopes and zeros and which line is steeper. Why? For advance, if Mang Tomas received 100 extra sacks, so he now has 600 to start. Write his new function, find the new zero, now who runs out first. Okay? So, ang success criteria para sa Mang Tomas versus Mang Pedro performance task, kailangan po correct ang slope at interpretation for both farmers. Correct din po ang zero with context, accurate po ang table with change of y over change of x, graph with both lines labeled, at least one comparison sentence between the two farmers. Okay? So, and as we close this week's session, the best comparison sentence, ang slope ay kung gaano kabilis or kung gaano kapagal, and zero, when it ends. Okay? So, class, again, this is your performance task. Gagawin po natin to sa ating classroom. Okay? You will work as a team, as a group, for us to find this particular observation. Sino ang mas labang? Si Mang Tomas at si Mang Pedro. At kung kayo si Ana, paano nyo tutulungan yung tatay nyo? Okay? So, yun po. So, exit ticket for session 5. Practicing nyo lang to, given that we have this one, this given function. Hanapin nyo ang slope, hanapin nyo ang zero. Ano yung one sentence na pwede nyo mabuo dyan? On the graph, which line is steeper? Mang Tomas or Mang Pedro's? Tignan po natin yan. Okay? So, class, natapos tayo sa week 4. No? Sana correct po ang paggamit natin ng slope at zero. Lahat po ng mga bagay na yan ay in-apply natin in real life sa story ni Mang Tomas at ni Ana. Sama na rin natin si Mang Pedro. Okay, nakapitbahay nila. Bridge to next week. Next week, We draw the full graph from scratch. So, gagawa tayo ng graph from the scratch. Kaya kailangan ninyo ng graphing paper. Anna will help us graph Mang Tomas function on a proper coordinate plane. Okay? And that would be all for the week 4. See you sa next week. I hope you understand, class, our session, and I would appreciate the thing na natutunan nyo dito. Kung may natutunan kayo, kindly comment that learning sa ating comment section. Okay, thank you for listening, and thank you uh, for the story of Mang Tomas and Ana, for listening to the story of ni Mang Tomas at saka ni Ana sa ating session for the week 4. Okay, see you in our classroom.